encourage பத்தல ஒருத்தர் விடுறதில்ல.
Good day to all. My name is Chelsea Varas. I am studying 4th term. My is Chanda Primary School. My father's name is Kausteni. My mother's name is S. Mahalakshmi. I have younger brother S. Satish. My father working is schooling. My mother working housewife. My mother like studying like standard. My best friend who has son. I speak very much. I love mother very much. Good day to all. My name is Sri Sandhya. I am studying 6th standard, Chennai Primary School, Stadium Scholastic. My father name is T. Boston and my mother name is Selvi. I have one younger sister name is Saundarya. I am 10 years old. My favorite is this biryani. My favorite band is parrot. My favorite subject is math. My hobby is watching TV. My best friend name is Astella Sankari. Thank you and next day. My name is Sankari Bhajan. I am studying 8th standard. My father name is Vainiraj. Hello to all. My name is T. Suresh. I am studying 5th standard. Chennai Primary School, Srinivasan College Street. I have two younger brothers. Name is Karthik and Arjun. My father working is welder. My mother is housewife. I like to play running race. I like to help my mother and hold other people. My favorite bird and animals are parrot and lion, tiger. My favorite subject Tamil. My hobby is watching TV and reading books. My favorite story is Rabbit and Squirrel. My best friend my aim is and become police officer. Thank you. Have a nice day.